All right, y'all. So it's after work. I don't have long, but I'm gonna try to get after a smallmouth or two, and I'm gonna run my boat up.